Everybody, we move on to LW workshop and maintenance books. The one that we use is book number 56.7. It doesn't have a date on it, but it's priced in old money, and I'm really sorry I can't make it out. And it's quite adequate. This book's fine for our purposes. It doesn't have any nice goodies in the back or special tools or anything, but it's fine for our purposes. I somehow feel that there's not quite so many LW books out there on eBay and so on as there is LXB, and I also feel that there's maybe not so many, there's not such a variation in them. Now we've also got this one here, which is a delightful wee book. It's book number 48.2, and it's got all sorts of goodies in it. All sorts of special tools and diagrams for making them, and instructions and torque settings and all sorts of things. Really very useful, beautiful little book. And it also covers towards the back some material on L3s and even 4LK, just a little bit on 4LK. So it's very, very nice if you could pick one of these up. I've forgotten where I got this, possibly on eBay, but they're out. They're out there. You can find them. Now, spare parts. The book that we use is catalog number 708, and it's fine. And like the LXB, there was two part numbering systems. There was an old-fashioned one and a more modern one, and this particular book has both in it. Now, I should have explained this for the LXB book, but the process here is we look up this plate or this diagram here, we identify the part that we need, say number 12, we turn over a page or two, go down until we find what they call the illustration number 12, and there's our part number there, and there's our description. So that's LW taken care of. I'm now going to go on to L3B, and I'm going to combine the L3B and the 3UC gearbox, which is essentially the same as a 2UC gearbox, only bigger.